Should you buy, sell, or wait at this point in the chart? Take 5 seconds to think. As you can see, after a large bearish candle, the market has started to range. To analyze further, let's draw a trend line. We can see that the price has slightly increased. Now, let's connect two peaks. If you look closely, you can see that this could be a triangle pattern. Now, let's draw the support and resistance lines. We can see that the candles have hit them multiple times. Now, let's wait for the price to break the support line. Here, both the lower triangle line and the support line are broken. After breaking the support line, we can see that it has acted as resistance and the price has pulled back to it. Now, we enter a short trade. We set the risk-to-reward ratio at 2, and the stop loss above the last price peak. Congratulations, you can see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. Trade with me.